Vince Salvatore, Peace Dojo, Aikido of Reno. Quentin Tarantino, a genius. Whether you love his work, like it, or somewhere in the middle, or don't like it. I think he's a genius. I mean, to get to that level, you have to be a genius. Kill Bill, I heard a rumor he was going to do Kill Bill 3, and why not continue it as a series? I'm not saying he'd have to do it. One of the things I think that's interesting is that by the way, Sonny Chiba passed away, and I missed the guy. That guy was an icon in that field. But in Kill Bill, there was a lot of slaughter, and I mean, it's almost like a parody on violence. So I get it. Yet, he stylized it after like the righteous warrior, Kage no Gundan, the character Sonny Chiba, the Shadow Warriors series that Quentin Tarantino stylized, or was influenced by, let's put it that way. It was a righteous hero. In Jidai Gekis, you know, the Jedi in Star Wars, modern version, George Lucas's version, there's a righteous warrior or a knight. Why not take Kill Bill 3 along those lines? And to go along those lines, when the righteous hero was defending the honor or justice, one of the things they used to do, another one was Toyama no Kinsan. It was a famous judge, samurai judge, that would, you know, beat the heck out of all these henchmen, but he would never kill anyone. He would never kill anyone. And one of the things he would do is he would hold the sword out, and then he'd flip it upside down and use the sword that way, not the cutting edge. He'd use the blunt edge to stop things. My thinking to Quentin Tarantino would be, why not do it? There's a lot of stuff you could do there. In fact, I wrote a script for Kill Bill 3. If anybody knows Quentin, please reach out to me. I'm at the Peace Dojo and Aikido of Reno. I'd love to talk to him sometime. We're the same age too, by the way. Hope you enjoyed this video. If not, please pass it on to someone that might get something from it. Thank you very much.